Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Network. Today I just bought this car charger converter or cigarette lighter car converter. Let's look into the pictures and description. It's only RM4.64. So this one, the one that I bought, which is EU, Europe. Okay, and then this one and description. Okay, let's unboxing. I will leave the link below the video if you're interested to buy. Okay, so the box, nothing, all plain. So this is it. This is very important. Input, output. This is 12 volt, 500 milliamp. Okay, now let's try. Okay, there's a red LED there. So I'm gonna try with this. Okay, Qualcomm 3.0 car charger, which is 12 volt, 1.8 milliamp. This one. And then charge to my LG dual phone. It's 9 volt only, so let's look into it. 5 volt, 0.5 milliamp. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.